In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce data usage on Google Meet. As more of us rely on video calls for both personal and professional communication, managing data consumption becomes crucial, especially if you're working with limited internet bandwidth or a data cap. Fortunately, Google Meet offers a variety of ways to tweak your settings to make your video meetings more data efficient. Let's dive into some practical tips that you can implement right away. To begin, one of the most effective strategies is to adjust the video resolution. When you're participating in a meeting, head to the three-dot menu located in the lower right corner of your Google Meet interface. This menu is your gateway to a world of settings that can help streamline your video call experience. Once you've clicked on it, you'll want to select settings from the list of options that appear. Within the settings menu, you'll find a tab labeled Video. This tab is critical for our data saving efforts. Here, you'll see options for modifying your video's send and receive resolution. By default, these might be set to high definition or HD, which offers 720p resolution. While HD does provide a crisper image, it also consumes significantly more data. By switching from HD to standard definition or SD, you can reduce your data usage considerably without sacrificing the core functionality of the video call. SD is typically set at 400p, which still provides acceptable visual quality while lowering your data consumption. Another savvy tactic is turning off your video camera when you're not speaking. If you've ever found yourself on lengthy calls where much of the meeting involves listening rather than speaking, switching off your camera can aid in conserving data. Furthermore, if everyone in your Google Meet session follows suit, it mimics the minimal data usage of a traditional conference call while maintaining the capacity for video interaction when needed. Another tip is to limit additional activities that might occur during your meetings. For instance, screen sharing and file transfers can eat into your data allowance quite a bit. While these features are undoubtedly useful, try to utilize them sparingly or only when absolutely necessary. Implementing these changes can help you manage your data usage effectively during Google Meet sessions and ensure a smoother experience, especially on slower internet connections. By controlling video settings and limiting resource-heavy activities, you're not only enhancing your own meeting experience, but also contributing positively to the experience of others. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share these tips with your colleagues or friends who might also benefit from lower data usage during their calls.